Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to convert Google document to a PDF file. So first of all guys, and as always, I will need you to go ahead and open your browser and then go to the URL section and search for TinyWall, as you can see here. And then here, I will need you to open this website, which is tinyweb.com. After that, you will see or notice that there is multiple options here, like edit PDF, PDF to Word, GPG to PDF, merge PDF, create PDF, PDF to GPG, compress PDF, Word to PDF, and so go on. Now, the Google Documents file is actually considered as a Word to PDF or Word file. So what you can do is just click on Word to PDF from here. Basically, guys, you don't need actually to sign in. So this is like a side mark. You don't really have to sign in. After you install this Word PDF or whatever it is, the file that is .doc, after that, all you need to do is pretty simple. You can click here to My Files and check if you have any files in your account, or else you can just click here and upload for PC or mobile. So this website actually works from both PC and mobile. After that, you just have to go here, get your documents, your Google documents, select it, open it, and then just give this a little bit of time until it's processed everything and it's converted to PDF. And just like so, guys, it will be converted to a PDF file. So once more, guys, to make sure that you have confirmed everything and said everything, let's go to the website. You don't really have to actually change anything, and if you want to actually use this website otherwise in something else, you can actually use it because this website is super cool, guys. It is really useful. Now after that, you can just go here to PDF, and then here, as you can see, this is the or to PDF option. Click on it and then just drag the file in here and it will be converted to PDF. So yeah, guys, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and thank you for watching.